Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can insert an SD card to your Sony Xperia 1 Mark V to extend your internal storage a bit. And for that we need our SD card, and then we need to open up our SIM card slot, and that is down here. You can tag your fingernail and then take out the tray. We have our SIM card here, and then on the back we have a space for our SD card. And we'll put the SD card right in, and then we'll go ahead and put the whole thing back in the phone. First, we now need to unlock our SIM card, and now we're back in the phone. And if we go to our settings now and go to storage, we have this device storage here, and then we also have our SD card where we can now go ahead and save like photos, music, and whatever else on it. So that's how you can insert an SD card to your Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. I hope you liked it, hope to help. So thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.